Good morning, children. How are you all? And how was your summer vacation? I hope you all have enjoyed a lot. I hope you all are fine and taking care of yourself and giving attention to your studies. Today I am here with a new video for you that you can start your studies again. Before vacation, we have completed our first lesson, that is, my first roller coaster. And today we are going to learn a poem, Adventure at Sea by Hiroshi Takao. First of all, I would like to give a small introduction of poem to you. This poem is a description of a voyage. A voyage is a journey by ship through a sea. This is a description of some children. The poem is dealt about the adventure and the excitement about the journey. Children, on this page we will come across some new words like as traveling, cockatoo, pursue, isle, canoe and quarter. Children, you have to learn the spellings of these difficult words, and meanwhile I will explain their meaning also. Students, tales of sea voyages are often filled with excitement and adventure. There is the thrill of making discoveries, but also the lurking fear of pirates. Read this poem about one such exciting adventure at sea. Children, you have to look at your books and be attentive while reading. Now, open your books at page number 13 and recite first stanza with me. Traveling through the Sea of Sulu, we saw in the distance a cockatoo. Wherever it flew, we dared to pursue, till finally an island came into view. Students, here cockatoo is a type of parrot having feather on its head, and Sulu is the name of river. Students, here some of the children were traveling through the Sulu river through a ship. At some distance, they saw a bird, cockatoo, and they started to follow that bird. They have gathered their intense courage and decided that they have to follow that bird wherever the bird is flying. And the bird has taken them to an island. Island means a land which is covered all sides by water. Students, now over to the second stanza. Now recite this with me. Land ho, cried Andrew. He is my young nephew. And he made for the isle in a canoe at 2:15 with a shout of yoo-hoo. He returned with a load of golden bamboo. Children, the word canoe means a small and light boat. Children, here Andrew is nephew's speaker. He cried and shouted, "Land ho!" He picked up a small boat and went to the island at 2:15 with a shout of yoo-hoo. Children, yoo-hoo is a sound of happiness. He was excited and full of energy, so he was shouting. It shows that they were very happy to reach that island. That island, Andrew saw golden bamboos, and he returned to his ship carrying a lot of golden bamboo from there. Students, remaining part of the poem we will continue in our next video. Till then, you have to revise the first two stanzas very well. Students, here some assignments are given to do. First, some words are given to find their meanings. And here some questions are given to you to answer. You have to write down them in your English notebooks. Students, till then, keep learning and take care of yourself.